morning guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the reveal of the Duramax. I know today ain't really a good day to be filming, it's raining. I wanted to show you the truck since we got some of it painted. If you remember in some previous videos I said I ain't going to paint the whole truck, and I decided not to because the paint really didn't need it. But I want to show you what the truck looks like now. Alright guys, here's the truck, the new paint.
Can't always look out one more time, and I'll break you.
So here's the truck since we got it painted. We got the fender, the bedside, then we got the cab corners and rocker panels on both sides painted. They ended up buffing the whole truck and I think it turned out really good. I know it took a while to get the truck painted, but I believe it was worth it. Well guys, that's the new look of the Dirtymax. I think it looks really good. Comment down below what you think of it. Well guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. The rain's starting to pick up some more. But I just wanted to get this video out there and let you guys see what the truck looks like with the new paint. Well guys, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.